Sir, can we start with the eighth problem?
Yep, sure, why not? You can try.
But sir, I think it's a very easy problem. You can give it as homework. Just have to
Even I
find
was
the
thinking.
volume
Yes, sir.
of
Very
cylinder.
easy, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. It's only about volume.
Yes, sir.
it's about volume of cylinder and volume of cone. Okay.
Volume, basically volume of cylinder divided by volume of cone. But
And
basic.
that will be equal to
Sir,
1800.
volume of cone into 1800.
Yeah.
1800.
Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cone multiplied by 1800. Inside the volume of cone, you will get the height. Okay. Ninth question. Okay,
Sir,
I
it
think
is easy.
this is
So
also
we have to
algebra.
use quadratic equation.
Yes, please. Where quadratic equation you have to use?
Sir, in question 9, if we take divisor and quotient as x and x square plus x by 2 is equal to 6123. So it will be quadratic equation, right?
Matlab, see, if you are facing, I have not solved it, but yes, when if you are facing a quadratic equation, do it. Matlab, one value will be positive and the other one will be negative. Negative value you have to ignore and you
Yes,
have to
sir.
consider the positive value only.
Okay, sir.
So
Sir, but the quadratic equation, the values are too big. So can we do a trial and error method?
yeah, sure. Why not? Trial and error is an option for every question. Okay. A sum 12,000 is deposited at compound interest becomes double after 5 years. After 20 years, how much it will become? So, okay, there are multiple logics to solve this. I'll just give you a very simple logic. Now, this 12,000, okay, wait, but it's in compound interest. So, you'll have to do the calculation only. Yeah. You'll have to do
Sir,
the
we can
calculation.
first find R and then
Yeah.
we can do.
That only you have to do. So, the interest they have given or the amount.
So sir, we have to consider R as X probably means X or any variable.
Correct. Correct. Absolutely correct.
Sir, so it's homework or not?
Homework. Since it is known to us, it's homework. Let's go for this. A plus b equal to 1, a square plus b square equal to 9. Then a square plus, a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 will be how much?
Sir, we
Sorry, what did you say?
have to use the identities, right?
Absolutely correct. What will you use?
Sir, a plus b the whole square equals a square plus b square. A square plus b square plus 2.
Do you need to square this? I don't think so, yeah.
Sir, I think we'll have to do like this. A square plus b square the whole square. So we will get
Sir.
a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 plus 2ab, right? Then as we have a plus b, sir, no, I think my method is wrong because then we'll have to find the
Sir,
value
I
of
did
a.
it.
Sir, I
I
have
got
got
the
an
answer
second
also.
attempt.
Shall I say how I did?
Yes, please,
Okay.
please.
So, sir, first I did a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And then I substituted the value. So I got 1 square is equal to 9 plus 2ab. So 2ab is equal to minus 8, ab is equal to minus 4. Then with that value, I did a square plus b square the whole square is equal, so that will be equal to a square the whole square plus 2a square, 2 into a square into b square plus b square the whole square, which gives me 9 square is equal to a raised to 4 plus 2a square b square plus b raised to 4. So then we'll calculate that we will do, and then we'll get 81 is equal to a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 plus 2 into minus 4 into minus 4. So 81 is a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 plus 32. So 81 minus 32 is a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4, which gives 49.
Good.
Same.
Same, na? Think. So, I'll just a minute. Yep. So in this case, for the others, I'm just telling you how can we solve this. First of all, what we can do is a plus b the whole square you do, which will get you a square plus b square. Let me erase the other stuff. Plus 2ab. So a plus b की जगह पे I'll substitute 1. Where is this? Instead of this, I'll substitute 1. Okay, 1 square is 1 only. So a square plus b square की जगह पे I'll substitute 9 plus 2ab. So that gives me minus, like AB is equal to minus 4. In short, AB is equal to minus 4. Because this gives you minus 8 divided by 2 minus 4. Okay. And after that, what you will be doing, you'll be basically a square plus b square ka whole square you'll be doing. So that gives you a square ka square is that is a raised to 4. B square ka square is b raised to 4 plus 2 times a square b square. A square b square is nothing but a plus b the whole, a multiplied by b the whole square. So instead of a square plus b square, I'll substitute 9, that is square. Then a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 plus 2 multiplied by ab की जगह पे I'll substitute minus 4, उसका square हो गया, तो it's basically 16. 16 into 2 is 32. Over here it's 81. 81 minus 32 is how much? 49.
Sir, how did you
Sir,
get
you
2
have
into
written.
16?
Sorry, one question at a time.
Sir, you have
Sir, how
written in the
did you
last
get 2
line
into
is
16?
How did I get 16? That I understood. 4 square is 16.
sir in the last line a square is equal to a power 4 plus b square. Why have you written b square?
My mistake.
Sir, but how did you get 2 into 16?
It is 2
It's
into
minus 4
AB
square.
the, yeah, it is 2 into AB the whole square, where AB is minus 4. Minus 4 का square करेंगे तो what will happen? It's 16 only, right?
सर लेकिन हम -4 का स्क्वायर क्यों करेंगे? a स्क्वायर into b स्क्वायर है ना?
Okay, a square multiplied by b square is also equal to a multiplied by b the whole square. Only in case of multiplication,
Yes,
the
sir.
squares can be shared. Okay.
Okay, sir. Understood, sir. Understood.
Yeah.
Um,
This is
Sir, I did not
81.
understand how you got AB is equal to -4. I understood 1 is equal to 9 plus 2AB. Then you
Hold on,
directly
let me
wrote
just
that.
complete this. A raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 plus 32 it is. That gives you a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 is equal to 81 minus 32, it is 49. Okay. Now where are we? Over here. So I take 9 to the other side, that will give me minus 8 is equal to 2 times AB. 2 to the other side, minus 8 divided by 2 is minus 4. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
sir, sir, I didn't understand that part.
Which part?
2 into 16, one part. Sir, a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 plus 2 into 16. I didn't understand that part.
This is basically a plus b the whole square का same formula. Whatever is the first term, उसका square. Whatever is the second term, उसका square. Then 2 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term. First term is a square, second term is b square. दोनों के square को मैंने common बाहर ले लिया. Understood? Yes, Priya, what's your query?
Okay, sir. Then after that, I didn't understand.
Okay, after that also I'll explain. So 16 multiplied by 2 is 32. That's what I've written in the next line. 9 square is 81. Then 32 I take to the other side. That will give me 81 minus 32. That is 49. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, just one last question.
Yeah.
Sir. Oh, okay, sir. No question, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Priya, tell me what's your query?
Sir, we have splitted that a square plus b square the whole square. We know that a square plus b square is 9, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like
That's
9
what
whole
I've written in the
powers.
next line. Instead of a square plus b square, I've
No.
substituted 9.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. No, can't we write that as the answer?
But that is not the question, right? The question is a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4, right? So somehow I have to create a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4. In order to create this only, I've basically done this whole squaring business.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sure.
Sir, you did this
Now,
a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4. So why did you do 2 into 16?
beta, it is basically what I've done over here. It's a plus
Oh,
b the whole square ka formula it is. Okay?
acha. Sir, I couldn't see it square, sir.
No worries. I'm erasing this now.
Sir,
Yeah.
why did you like I understand two raise here a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 plus 2 ab square. So instead of 2 ab square, why did you write 2 into 16?
Because ab is equal to minus 4. You put minus 4 over here. Minus 4 ka square is 16.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, I'm erasing this now. Now, 12th question. Find the least number which when divided by 16, 18, 20, 25 leaves 4 as the remainder, and when divided by 7 does not does like leaves no remainder. So first of all, we can eliminate this option. Why? Because take it divided by 16, 18 to solo, but 20 and 25 is also there. So considering 20, any number divisible by 20 will have 0 at the end.
Sir, I think this is an easy question and can be given as homework.
Correct. I will be giving it as homework, but I'm just going to explain one elimination process. Yeah, any number which is divided by which is divisible by 20 will have 0 in the end. Okay, so after dividing, if 4 is the remainder, so whatever was 0 uske sath remainder is 4, which means the end should have 4. This much you should understand. So which means this end, this will not work because it has 7. This will also
Yes,
not
sir.
work.
1 and 3 is not possible.
So you can try this and try this. So after that, you just go for
Sir, but
trial and error.
17,004 is not divisible by 7. So
Yes, sir.
we
So
just
we
get
can directly
that-
write 18,004 as the
Sir,
answer.
I think, sir, the first thing we should do is check if each of the numbers is divisible by 7 and eliminate the option.
No. I'll not see. I'll
Sir,
not
maybe we should
want you to.
find the LCM of 16, 18, 20, and 25.
Don't do that,
Then
beta. You are simply complicating the problem. Why to find the LCM? Don't find. See, irrespective of whichever number you divide, the remainder is going to remain 4, right? So take the simplest problem. 20 is the most easiest problem because it has 0 in the end, which means any number divisible by 20 should have 0 in the end. Adding a remainder 4 should have 4 in the end. Now, this is a very simple logic which will help you to easily eliminate first option and third option.
Excuse me, sir.
Just a minute, let me complete. So once the first and third option is eliminated, you are left with only two numbers. Now you have to check which number is divisible by 7. Only two numbers you have to check, out of which you will get 2 as the correct answer. Now tell me, what was your query?
Sir, if we have to follow the long method, then first find the LCM, then add 4, and then find a multiples which is divisible by 7. No?
Your answer is, you will get the correct answer, but I'm trying to tell you that you will be spending a lot of time. फुकट time waste करोगे. So what method I have
Sir,
suggested is the shortest method. If
sir,
you
but
feel
if
that
we
you're,
can't eliminate if the options were different,
sorry, if the options,
and we can't eliminate which one is wrong,
then you check the divisibility for 7, or maybe then you check the LCM wala thing. Or there are various numbers, right? Apart from
so we
20,
have to
there is
add
25
only, no,
also.
4.
Yeah, every time you have to add. Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Proceeding further. Train X starts from Mumbai at 4 p.m. and reaches Pune at 5 p.m. Another train Y starts from Pune at 4 p.m. and reaches Mumbai at 5:30 p.m. The train will cross each other at dash, like what time? So first of all, the distance is same. Okay, I'll give you a minute to first think, and then I'll discuss this problem. Like first of all, you'll have to find after how many minutes will the train cross each other. So consider thinking like this. One train is going like this, okay? The other train is coming like this. Let me consider this train, like the speed of this train. Let us speak about the speed of this train. So the speed of the first train is some distance upon 1 hour. Why? Because between Mumbai and Pune, how much ever was the distance, that distance this train is going to cover in 1 hour. So the speed is equal to distance upon time, which in this case it is d upon 1 for the first train or X train. For the Y train, the distance remains same, but the time is different. This time the time is basically 1.5 hours. So the speed for the next train is d upon 1.5. Now, the time taken by this train to reach over here and this train to reach over here is going to be same. This is the meeting point. I'm considering this is the meeting point. MP matlab meeting point. Okay. ठीक है. Now, while traveling till the meeting point, the time taken is t. The time taken is t for both the trains. The speed for both the trains are different. Now, let me consider how much is the distance covered so far. So far, the distance covered by the first train, let me call it as x. This distance covered by the first train, which means the distance covered by the second train will be, now you know that the total distance, we have already discussed that the total
Sir,
distance is t.
1.5x, right?
Yeah, I'll not 1.5x. Technically speaking, no. It's a different logic, I'll tell you. It's ulta. Okay. Okay. For your convenience, I'll do one thing. Hmm. I'll consider
I
this
didn't
as x.
understand.
Sorry.
I did not understand the whole thing.
Okay, I'll explain once again. Please pay attention. Now, there are 2 points. Okay. Wait, let me just. Arey yaar, just a minute. Hmm. Now, there are 2 points. Okay. The first point is Mumbai. The second point is Pune. Now, this is the point. Let me say this is the point where both the trains are going to meet. I'll call it as MP, which is meeting point. The total distance between them is D. So far, so clear?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now, uh, the distance traveled, sorry, one train has started from Mumbai to Pune and the other train has started from Pune to Mumbai. They are both going to meet at meeting point. Now, the time taken by both the trains are going to be same. So, time taken by the X train and time taken by the Y train, both will be same. Let me call that time as, just a minute. Ha. So the time taken by both the trains are same. Let me call the time as T to reach till the meeting point. Now the distance traveled by the Pune train, let me call it as X. Then the distance traveled by the Mumbai train will be D minus X. You are understanding this much?
Yes, sir. X is the distance, right? Like from MP to P.
Correct. It's the distance.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now speaking about speed, speed of x is nothing but total distance upon total time. In this case, the total distance is given by d and the total time taken by the x train is given as 1. Therefore, d upon 1 is d. Yeah. Speed of y train will be the same distance it is covering in 1.5 times. So d upon 1.5 will be the speed of the y train. So far, so clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now, we know that in general, speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance upon time, which means time is
Yeah.
equal to distance upon speed. Any doubt so far?
No, sir.
Now, we know that to reach the meeting point, they are going to consume the same time. So, I'll say tx upon tx is equal to ty. Both the times are same. Now, instead of time, I'm going to substitute distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. Distance of the x is, in this case, the first train is d minus x. This distance, iska speed is vx, iska speed is vy, for your kind information. So this distance, I'll call it as d minus x. Upon this speed, I'll call it as vx. And this distance, I'll call as x. Upon this speed, I'll call as vy. So far, so clear?
Yes, sir. We can write Vx as D, right?
Yes. In the next step, what I'm going to do is writing vx as d.
Sir, but how can you tell Tx is equal to Ty? It is different, no? 1 and 1.5 hours.
Beta, it is not dx, it is d minus x.
While they're meeting.
Acha, tx equal to t. Okay, हाँ. Beta, see, they started together. They both started at 4 o'clock. They are going to meet at, let's say, for example, this is the correct answer, 4:36. So, which means this train also traveled for 36 minutes and this train also traveled for 36 minutes only, right? तभी जाके meet होंगे
Okay,
ना?
sir. So you're talking about that time. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. हाँ, so coming to this original point, so instead of Vx, I'll substitute D. The next step, I'll substitute D. So D minus X upon D over here is equal to X upon, this is D upon 1.5. So far, so clear? D and D
Yes,
gets
sir.
cancelled. So 1.5 will go to the numerator.
Numerator.
Yeah, so D minus X is equal to 1.5x. X I take it to the other side. D is equal to 2.5x. So this is a relation between distance and X. So that will give you X is equal to distance upon 2.5. So far so clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I didn't understood from D minus X.
D minus X over here.
Yes, sir. No,
ठीक
sir,
है.
below that.
Okay, so
Yes,
instead of
sir.
speed of X, I've written everything over here. I'm just substituting. So instead of Vx, I'll write D. Instead of Vy, I'll write D upon 1.5. D and D gets cancelled. 1.5 goes above. That gives you 1.5x. So far, so clear?
Yes, sir, understood.
Hmm. Now, that gives you D is equal to 2.5. That gives you X is equal to D upon 2.5. So far, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, if since you know the value of X, now you wish to find the value of T, right? T is something which you wish to find. कितना time लगा पहुंचने के लिए? That is the question which you have in your mind. So what will we do? We know that this Vy is basically इसका distance, that is X upon time. How much ever time is taken. Do you agree with this?
Yes,
Speed
sir.
is equal to distance upon time. ठीक है. I'll use the same formula over here. Vy is equal to उसका distance upon उसका time. Now उसका distance is x, जिसके जगह पे I'll substitute d by 2.5 multiplied by t. So far so clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, D
Now
by 2.5 T, how you got?
x is equal to d upon 2.5.
Okay,
Instead of
sir.
x, I substitute d upon 2.5. Now instead of Vy, I will substitute this d upon 1.5. So on the left hand side, instead of Vy, I will substitute d upon 1.5. On the right hand side, I have d upon 2.5t. D and D gets cancelled with each other. This is 3 times, this is 5 times. That means T is equal to 3 upon 5. You're getting my point? So far it's clear. Any doubt so far?
So T is the total time.
Uh-huh. Total time. No. T is the time taken to reach, malab, till the meeting point.
Oh, till then. Okay.
So far it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, 3 upon 5 of what? 3 upon 5 of an hour. It's in hour. 3 upon 5 of an hour is how many minutes? If you don't know, you simply substitute instead of hour, you put
36 minutes.
60. Correct. That will give you 36 minutes. So the time taken to reach the midpoint or meeting point is 36 minutes. Both the trains started at 4 o'clock, which means both the trains are going to meet after 36 minutes from 4 o'clock. Hence 4:36 is your answer.
Understood, sir.
Yep.
Sir, is there any shorter method to solve this problem?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, shorter method I'll tell
Yes.
you. Time, so x 1.5x d minus x should be 1.5 times. Yeah, I'll tell you a shorter method. But wait, distance is known, time, speed.
Sir, can you
Okay.
speak a little bit loud? I cannot hear you.
No, I was just thinking. Now I'll tell you. Shall I erase this then?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Shall I erase this?
Sir, we can't hear you. Your voice is a bit too low.
Sir, your voice is breaking as well.
Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Now you are audible.
Sir, but
Yeah.
your voice is very low.
Oh, yeah. Now? How's it?
Yes, sir. Better, better.
ठीक
Yes,
है.
sir, but still low.
Still it's low, right? I don't know what is wrong. Yeah. Is it better now?
Yes, sir.
ठीक. So I'm going to give a shortcut. I'm just erasing them. Uh, yeah, I'm just erasing these terms. Matlab, these are the basic terms. Okay. So no need of all these solving. Hmm? So comparatively a shorter method I'm going to give now. So in this case, what you can say, if you consider one term as x, matlab one distance as x. Now, as you know, there is a difference in speed. For example, if vx is d, then vy is d upon 1.5. Or you can also say that, by the way, out of vx and vy, which one is greater? Which one is more faster?
Sir,
Sir,
VX.
VX.
Vx is faster, right? So I can say that this Vx is equal to 1.5 times Vy.
Yes, sir.
It's the same logic, okay? So they are inversely proportional. So yeah, Vx is equal to 1.5 times Vi. Now speed, if the speed is more over here, the distance will also be more, right? So I'll do one thing, I'll consider y distance covered by Vy, then the distance covered by Vx will be, matlab, this distance will be 1.5 times greater than the other distance. Any doubts so far? Okay, I'm assuming no doubt. Proceeding further. Now the time taken to reach over here is, again, so we have to find the time. Time is what? Time is always distance upon speed. Now I know the distance is 1.5 if I'm considering this, and the speed is d. So I will get my answer from here. But provided I should know a relation between y and d. What is the relation between y and d? Okay, I'll repeat again. The time is equal to distance upon speed. In this case, the distance covered is 1.5 v and the speed over here is d.
Sir, how you got speed D?
I had already calculated previously जब explain किया इतना सब.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
The distance upon 1. इतना तो करना है, basic work तो करना पड़ेगा. उसके आगे का I am just reducing all these efforts. Okay. So this much I know, provided I should know the relationship between y upon d. Y upon d पता होना चाहिए. How do I get y upon d? Now I know that the total distance is equal to this distance plus this distance. That is 1.5 y plus y. That will give you 2.5 y. Right? Now I want to find y upon d. So y यहाँ पर रख के I'll take d to the other side. I'll take 1.5 over here. This will give me 1.5, 2.5. So I'll substitute this y upon d over here. That will give me t is equal to 1.5 upon 2.5, which is 3 by 5, which is 3 by 5 hours, which is 36 minutes. A bit shorter method.
Understood, sir.
Okay.
Understood, sir.
Okay, so this meeting is also going to end now. Let's join once again. I'll wait for 30 seconds and then I'll erase this and then we'll join once again.
Sir, when is break?
Immediately after this.
Okay,
Immediately
sir.
as soon as you
And
join,
sir,
we'll start with the break.
sir, 14 and 15 we can do. We have done many times these problems.
Very good. So in that case, let's join again and then immediately you can take a break.
So after this, what we're going to do then?
Doubt solving.
Okay.